Hello, I'm Roman. Today, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the advantages of our heating systems for our rotogravure printing machine. First of all, our heating systems adapts the design concept of a high airspeed and low temperature, which can effectively dry those temperature-sensitive materials and make the breeding results more excellent. Moreover, our oven is well designed to maintain an even distribution of temperature and airspeed to provide you with the high-quality breeding results and ensure that every piece of breeding material can achieve the best result. In addition, our oven has multi-layer insulation structure, which can effectively reduce the loss of heat, so it can help your business to reduce costs and save energy. Choosing Ounuo, we can help your business reduce costs and provide high-quality breeding results. We are always committed to providing you with excellent breeding solutions to make your business more successful.